I'm Lankapati Ravan! Ruler of the Golden Lanka, master of the 10 mines, and the greatest devotee of Lord Shiva. How dare you to invite other kings when I'm here, the Lankapati Ravan? I lifted Kailash mountain with these hands. I can easily lift this bow. This bow, once touched by Shiva, my Lord, today it shall bow to me. Bow has a spirit. I respect it.
Without dharma, even